part 1, we got a tour of Ron Goodman's man cave, better known as Aussie Porsche Heaven. In part 2, we took the Porsche Cayenne GTS out for some laps at London Raceway, but now it's time for some proper racing. Ron Goodman will be best known for his success in winning the Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion at Laguna Seca Raceway in California. Although vintage race cars is his passion, when you put him behind the wheel of a late model factory built Porsche race car, the results are epic.
Start with like year model, what is it?
2004.
2004 Porsche
996.
996. Okay, cool. So it started life as a street car?
No, this is a proper Porsche race car. This is the ex-VIP Pet Foods car.
Beautiful. So Porsche make them never for rego, they're just going to
Correct, yeah.
severely race
They come with a roll cage. They make a race car
Mhm.
that people buy and they race it in a one type series.
Okay, beautiful. So this is a Porsche built race roll cage?
Correct. Everything on this is straight from the factory.
Wow, so all the perspex on the windows?
Correct.
So I won't call it all glass today. All right, so what else would mirrors would be different?
No, that's all standard.
Yeah, right.
Everything you see on this car is exactly how it comes from Porsche for the race series.
Wow, that's awesome.
The single knot luck knots, everything is exactly the way that you buy it straight from Porsche.
Wow. And so you've got the left-hand drive as well, because that's your preferred.
But they're all left-hand drive.
Okay.
All the
all
cup
right.
cars are left-hand drive.
There you go. Okay. Yep. Beautiful. All right, can we just pop that door and have a little look?
It's a lightweight composite door.
Yep. Beautiful. So this is Porsche built.
Yep.
Wow.
Steering wheel comes off to make it easier to get in and out of the car. This is the last of the actual manuals, the ones you really got to drive.
Yes. Yep. So this like the shifter box here.
Yes.
You've got the two cables coming out of it.
Yep.
And they just run all the way back
Back to the
gearbox
transmission.
right back
Correct,
there.
yeah.
Yep. No, there's no comfort in there, is there? It's all.
I think it's more comfortable than my other cars.
Yeah, true. Except that one.
Yeah, except that one. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, can we have a little look at the engine?
Yep.
So this is the factory brakes.
Everything on this car is absolutely factory.
It's funny because it's still got the bonnet pins on the front too, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so it's a, what is it? It's a flat 6?
Correct, yeah.
Flat 6, 3.6?
Yep.
Cool, yep.
Water cooled, this one is.
Okay.
It's not an air cooled one, this is a water pumper.
When did they change over to
I think
water?
around 98.
Yep. Yeah. Wow.
You can see even the genuine part numbers on the.
Yes. But it's Kevlar, right?
Yep.
But if you bought the street car, it's just steel on steel.
No.
No. It's the same, isn't it?
Yep.
Wow. There you go. They haven't made much room for people to get in the back here to work on them.
No, usually if you've got to work on them, it's something major and they'll just drop it out.
Yeah.
Drop the engine out and work on it.
Beautiful. That's it. That's perfect. Very good.
We want to say a massive thanks to Ron for giving up his time to share these cars. That wraps up this episode. Thanks so much for watching. Huge thanks to Charlie for being our Grassroots Garage stunt driver for the day. From what Ron tells us, he's not bad with a spray gun either. You can follow us at all our socials at Grassroots Garage. And make sure you check out Ron's Instagram, Speed0023.